Hey guys, welcome back. This is the Sundown Audio LCS 12-inch subwoofer. See what we're getting here for power now. There's 520 watts at 3 ohms. It's wired down to 2 ohms. 553 watts we just got. 3.4 ohms. Hey guys, we have a free giveaway going on right now on my channel. American Bass Elite 12-inch subwoofer. Go check that out. Subs and Paws, youtube.com. I have over 700 car audio videos, hundreds of subwoofer videos, hundreds of amplifier dyno tests. We got 641 watts right there. There's 833 watts, guys. Woohoo! 3.4 ohms. Look at that thing.